Hello students, today's chapter is circle. We know something about circle. What is circle? This is a circle and this is called center and this is called circumference. And this is called uh, radius. Okay, and this is called diameter. Okay, and this is called chord. We know all about the things. So, what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn a ratio between circumference and diameter. We can say that radius is r, it is denoted by r, and diameter is denoted by 2r. Okay. The ratio in a circle between circumference and diameter. Circumference by diameter. Do you know what is the ratio between them? The ratio is called pi. The value is 20 pi equal to 22 upon 7. Okay. That means we can write circumference equal to pi into diameter. Okay, that means pi into diameter means 2r. Therefore the formula of circumference equal to 2 pi r. Okay, and the area of circumference, the unit is unit here. Area of a circle equal to pi r square. It is unit square or square unit as we like. Okay. So this is the circumference, this is the area of a full circle. For the case of half circle, okay, we have to find out the perimeter first. Perimeter or circumference both the same. This portion is, this is r plus r, that means 2r. Okay, therefore perimeter of half circle, or you can write semicircle, equal to what will be? The total circumference is 2 pi r. We know that is 2 pi r. That means for this case it will be 2 pi r by 2. And this portion will be added here. That is 2r. 2 pi r by 2 plus 2r. That means pi r plus 2r. We can take common r here. That means pi plus 2. Okay. That is the perimeter of a semicircle, and the area is pi r square by 2. Okay. So this is so very easy. For the case of, this was semicircle, but for the case of quarter circle, okay, 1/4 of a circle. For this case, area equal to pi r square by 4, but for the perimeter, this was 2 pi r. For the case is 2 pi r by 4, and this side and this side is added with this perimeter. That means this is R and this is also R. So you can add 2R also with it. And this is the formula. Okay, the perimeter of a quarter circle. So now dear friends, with this formula we are trying to solve some problem. Okay, wait. Hello students, it's a first problem. It's a very easy problem. Here is given circumference is 44 centimeter. We have to find out the diameter. What is the diameter? Diameter means 2r. Okay, so circumference means 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. Therefore we have to find out 2r, that means 44 by pi, and we know the value of pi, that is 44 by 22 upon 7. So 14 centimeter. That is so very much easy. So let's try for another problem. Here is there is another sum. There is a road is 3.5 meter wide surrounding a circular plot whose circumference is 44 meter. Find the cost of paving the road at rupees 50 per meter square. Okay, that means a circular plot. This is a circular plot. Assume this is a circular plot, and there is a road 3.5 meter wide, and a road is 3.5 meter wide. So that means this is the road here. Okay, so what is given also? Circumference is 44 meter. The circumference of this portion is a 44 centimeter, and this is 3.5 meter. Okay, now let this R. Okay, let the radius of circular plot be R. Therefore 2 pi R equal to 44 meter. Therefore R equal to 44 by 2 into 22, 7. Okay, so that is 7 meter. So that means R equal to 7 meter. Okay, therefore the radius of plot with road. Okay, radius of plot with road are 2 equal to 7 plus 3.5 meter, because this is 3.5 meter wide. That means it is 10.5 meter. Now we have to find out the area of the road. Therefore area of the road. Area of the road means the total area minus the plot area. That means total area means pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. Okay, so if we take a common pi here, that means r2 square minus r1 square. Okay, so we just directly use this formula here. Area of the road equal to pi 10.5 whole square minus 7 whole square. That means 22 upon 7. We can use the formula a plus b into a minus b. If we use a plus b, that will be 17.5 into a minus b, that means 3.5. Okay, so this is the area of the road. Okay, as they do not ask us the area of the road, that's why we do not calculate here. Okay, then it will be very easy for us when we calculate the cost of the road. You have to erase something. Cost of paving the road equal to rupees 50 per meter square. Okay, therefore the total cost, just multiply, that means 22 upon 7, 17.5, that means we can write 175 upon 10 into 35 upon 10 into 50. Okay, let's do 5 2 5 7 is 35, 7 7 2 11. Okay, so now 11 into 175 into 5, 11 into 175, that means 5 2 that will be the answer, 9625. Okay, this is okay. Now this is the answer. The total cost of paving of the road is 9625. Okay, so wait for another question. I'm coming back after erasing it. Hello students, is there our another problem, that is ABCD is a square, the length of 14 centimeter. Okay, DPA and CPB are the semicircle. Okay, now this is the side of a square and this is the R and this is also R. That means 2R is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, because it is the semicircle, that means this is the center of the circle. So at first we have to find out the total area and then we just minus the area of two semicircle. Okay, two semicircle means one circle. Okay, then we can find out the area of the shaded portion. Actually we have to find out the area of the shaded portion as well as the perimeter of the shaded portion. Okay, so first we just find out the area of the shaded portion. Okay, now for this case, just at first we find out the area of the square and then my subtract from the area of the square the area of the circle. Okay, area of shaded portion equal to area of square minus area of 2 into semicircle. Okay, area of square means 14 into 14 minus area of 2 into semicircle means 2 into area of semicircle means the formula is pi r square by 2. Here r equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, now 14 into 14 equal to 196. Okay, and there is a 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7, that means 196 minus 154 to 42 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded portion. Now the second part of the math, that is perimeter of the shaded portion. Perimeter means length of this portion plus this and this side. Okay, that means here this is a half of 2 pi r. Okay, that means pi r plus 14 plus 14. Okay, therefore perimeter of shaded area equal to two into perimeter of semicircle plus AB plus CD. Okay, now 2, that means perimeter of semicircle means pi r. Okay, plus 14 plus 14, therefore 2 into 22 upon 7, we can write now the value of the all parameters. R equal to 7. Okay, plus 28, 44 plus, sorry, there is 28 equal to 722 centimeter. Okay, so this is the perimeter of shaded portion. Okay, let's go for another problem. Wait. Welcome back with another problem. This is the math. I state you in the figure, a point A, B, C are center of arc of circle A, B, C. Okay, center of arc of circle of radius 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter respectively. Find the perimeter and the area of the shaded region. Okay, now here all the case of semicircle, this portion is a semicircle of the radius of 5 centimeter. This is a semicircle of radius 3 centimeter. This is also a semicircle when the radius is 2 centimeter. So first we are going to calculate the area of the shaded portion. That means first we have to find out the half of the semicircle, area of the half of semicircle. Okay, that means this portion. Okay, where the radius is r. Okay, and then what will be in this shaded portion, in this portion, this part is added. That means the area of this semicircle will be added and this area of the semicircle will be subtracted from the total semicircle. Okay, now area of shaded portion equal to area of semicircle of center A. Okay, this is the center A. Okay, plus area of semicircle of center C minus area of semicircle of center B. Okay, now here R is equal to, if we give the name of it, that is A, B, C, D is given, this X, Y, that means AX equal to 5 centimeter, Bx is equal to 3 centimeter, and Cy equal to 2 centimeter. Now for the area of semicircle of center A, that means total this portion equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square by 2. Okay, pi r square means r equal to 5 centimeter, pi r square by 2 plus semicircle of center C, that means this portion, right? Pi r square means 2 square by 2 minus pi r square means 3 square by 2 centimeters square. Now we can take common pi upon 2. What we will get? 5 square, that is 25, 2 square, that is 4, minus 3 square equal to 9 centimeter square. That means pi by 2. Here pi by 2, there is a value, pi by 2 is given. Pi equal to 3.14 is given here. Okay, pi equal to 3.14 given. So we just write 3.14 instead of pi upon 2, and that will be into 24, 29 minus 9 then 20 is 10 equal to 31.4 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded portion. And next part of the math, that is the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of this semicircle plus perimeter of this semicircle plus perimeter of this semicircle. For the case of perimeter, we just add all the things, all the perimeter, half perimeter, okay, half circumference. So perimeter of shaded portion, okay, what will be? That means 2 pi r, that means pi r by pi r. R means here 5 centimeter plus pi into 3 centimeter, that means 3, here r equal to 3 plus pi into 2. So we can take pi common here, that means pi equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, pi is given, that is 3.14 into 5 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 10, that means 31.4 centimeter. Just both the answer is same, but the unit is different. Here unit is centimeter square, and in case of perimeter this is centimeter. Keep in mind. Okay, so this is the another problem. I think you can understand. Okay, now I am coming back with another problem. Wait for a bit. Hello students, welcome back with another problem. At first I started with the problem. In the figure, a piece of cardboard in the shape of trapezium, that means ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel DC, AB parallel DC, angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Okay, that means this angle is 90 degree. Quarter circle BFEC, that means this is a quarter circle is removed, that is cut out. Given AB and B equal to BC equal to 3.5, that means this is 3.5. okay, 3.5. D equal to 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. Calculate the area of the remaining portion, that means you have to find out the area of shaded portion. So what we will do? So here it is the quarter circle, that means this is the radius. Okay, so at first you have to find out the area of the trapezium, then just subtract the area of the quarter circle. Okay, so area of the shaded portion equal to area of trapezium minus area of quarter circle. Here for the case of the circle, 3.5 is the radius, it is the r for the quarter circle. Okay, now this is equal, AB and BC equal. At first to find out the area of trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to half sum of parallel side into distance between them, or you can write height h, minus area of quarter circle, that means 1/4 pi r square. Okay, means half sum of parallel side, that means AB plus DE, AB plus DC into height means this is the perpendicular, that means this is the distance between the parallel side, and this is also the height. So h is equal to 3.5 here. So h is equal to 3.5, also equal to the r for the circle. Okay, now minus 1/4 22/7 into r means 3.5 whole square. Okay, by r square 3.5. Okay, now AB plus DC. AB means 3.5. Okay, it is given. AB equal to 3.5 given. 3.5 plus DC is equal to 3.5 plus 2 centimeter, that means 5.5 into 3.5 minus 1 by 4, 22 upon 7 into 35 by upon 10 into 35 upon 10. Okay, 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 2 ja 11. Okay, 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10. Anything else? That means 1 by 2 into 9 into 3, 5 by 10 minus 1 by 4 equal to 77 by 2. Now 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is 10. That means 63 upon 4 minus 77 upon 8. LCM is 8 multiplied to 6, 12 minus 77. Therefore minus 6 7 9. It's 9. This is 49 upon 8. You can divide it 49, 48, 1.0, 8 1 ja 8, 2.0, 8 2 ja 16, 4.05, 40. So area of shaded portion, area of shaded portion equal to 6.125 centimeter square. So students, I hope you can understand this chapter. If you have any problem, as usual, you can send your problem in comment section, also in my WhatsApp group also. I think it is not so very tough. If you thoroughly follow the total video again and again, then you can understand the basic concept. That is nothing but if you have to just follow the diagram and have to understand that what is there. Since there is either semicircle or half circle or quarter circle, nothing else. You have to just find out this and then you can calculate. Okay, so again, if you like my videos, then please share with your friends and like it, and who come first time in my channel, then please subscribe it. Thank you.